Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're making Chocolate Rice Krispie Treats. Let's begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is get a large saucepan. I recommend using a large or an extra large pan, whichever you've got. You'll then want to put in your butter, your marshmallows and your cocoa powder and melt this over a medium-low heat until it all melts and comes together. You'll need to stir this constantly once it starts to melt. You will want to put your Rice Krispies into a big enough mixing bowl. So here is what the mixture looks like once it's all melted and come together. You will then want to give this a good mix to scrape down the bottom and the sides just to incorporate any bits that may not have been from earlier on. So now add your chocolate and stir that in until the chocolate has melted. So next you'll want to add your marshmallow mixture on top of your Rice Krispies and stir that in. Make sure you don't leave it at all, as it does start to set up pretty quickly, as I found out. You will want to stir that in until it's all incorporated and most of the Rice Krispies are coated. Once your mixture is ready, you can then transfer it to a 9 by 13 inch pan that you have lined with some greaseproof paper or parchment paper, whichever you know it as, and then spread the mixture out as best as you can. Again, this doesn't take very long or very much effort, it's just to get it all in there. You will then want to allow it some time to firm up. So once it's had some time to firm up, you'll want to remove it from the tin and then you can decorate it however you like. I will leave all the ingredients I use down below. So again, the decoration is optional, but I thought why not. I drizzled over some milk chocolate and then used 3 types of sprinkles that were all chocolate themed and just put them over. You can then cut these up however you like, into smaller chunks or bigger chunks. I just did this by eye. As you can tell, it didn't turn out perfect. If you want to get them more perfect, you'll want to use a ruler or a measuring tape of some sort. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video. Join me then. Leave me any suggestions or feedback in the comments down below. Check out my social medias. Bye guys.